Hey guys, it's Danielle with Danielle Gets It Done, and I just wanted to do a really relaxing clean with me. I am cleaning out our fridge, so I'll just play some music and stop talking, but I wanted to show you this hummus. Have you guys tried it? It's dark chocolate dessert hummus. I actually haven't tried it yet, but it sounds really good. And yeah, I'm just gonna clean out my fridge. This is right before grocery shopping, so that's a nice time to clean because it's not full of stuff. And I just have some rags and my Thieves all-purpose cleaner. I hope you enjoy. If you're new, I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button. Please like this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Don't drench your desire in what you can't control. We fly, try so hard to get there, and we might be lost but not forever. There's things in life you simply need to know, but sun and rain and trust in letting go. It takes a bit of suffering, sleepless nights and wandering, before you make it safely to the end, the end, the end. Don't say you're ridiculous, you're not even close. Don't wish for indifference, you're not one of those. We fall, but we always rise up through it all, it all. We get a little wiser. There's things in life you simply need to know, but sun and rain and trust in letting go. It takes a bit of suffering, sleepless nights and wandering, before you make it safely to the end, the end, the end. And if you ever wonder, there is nothing wrong with a little thunder. There's things in life you simply need to know, about sun and rain and trust in letting go. It takes a bit of suffering, sleepless nights and wandering, before you make it safely to the end, the end. There's things in life you simply need to know, about sun and rain and trust in letting go. It takes a bit of suffering, sleepless nights and wandering, before you make it safely to the end, before you make it safely to the end.